We have a program of Kazi Mtandaoni, Your Excellency, which you've launched, and by 2022 we approximately had 2 million Kenyans working in digitally enabled jobs, and the numbers are growing. It's a major growth, and we will be addressing some of the challenges, including the digital skill gap, unequal access technology, and other resources. Mheshimiwa Atoli has talked about the challenges we are facing in social media. It's also an area that we need to have a conversation about to see how we can direct our energies from negativity to positivity so that we don't pull each other down. We have a program of Kazi Baharini, whereby we estimate to employ more people as seafarers and to work in the ocean, but there's a small challenge of seafarers' identification documents which need to be issued to revamp training curriculum of seafarers and give them opportunities. We have Kazi kwa ground, Juakali sector, Ujenzi sector. Thank you for the National Housing Program that is doing very well, affordable housing program, providing livelihood to millions of people, by extension by the workers that are working there. Your Excellency, there are a few challenges impeding progress of the programs. For example, we have cartels and rogue agencies that are taking advantage of vulnerable Kenyans. We have fake news on low labor mobility pathways are being used to either mislead our youth or try to discourage them, and we are dealing with them. Your Excellency, workers are not slaves, they are workers and must be treated with respect. Recognition of their human dignity is a right and must be safeguarded at all times. Workers must be paid rightful legal wages, including overtime, and treated fairly without discrimination, and they should also enjoy decent work conditions. Workers in turn also need to be obedient, faithful, and dedicated to their employers, because it is a relationship. Workers need to identify the few among them who steal from the employers and try to bring down the same business that are employing them. So we are going to ensure that workers and working conditions are set by the law and that people can go to work and work well. Your Excellency, kuko na shida kidogo. I get a lot of reports in my office about sexual harassment. Sexual harassment in our workplaces. Nataka kuambia Wakenya kwamba mrembo akiandikwa, our sister, our children, our daughters, akiandikwa kazi, usianze kumpangia, unaanza kumnyemelea, na akikukataa unamfuta kazi, unaanza kumuharas. We must ensure there is a safe working environment for our young girls and even our young boys. That power dynamics is something that we'll be talking about. A manager should not be dating a junior in the same office because of those power dynamics. Soko ni kubwa Kenya hii, angalia kila mahali. Soko ni kubwa, wachana na wafanyikazi wanaofanya kazi na wewe. And we will not continue with this habit, and we will take measures to ensure there is no sexual harassment in our workplaces. Your Excellency,